1-minute microwave muffins, that's impossible. Hi everybody, I'm Aaron. Welcome to AD Keto. Today is another episode of I Like to Eat featuring minute microwave muffins. I was lying in bed the other morning looking at Instagram and I came across this recipe that was posted by a user named Easy Keto Recipes, who in turn got it from Kelly's Gone Keto. And it was a recipe for muffins that took 1 minute to make, keto friendly, in your microwave. And I said, what? That doesn't sound at all possible. So I got up out of bed, made them, and they're super easy. So I'm going to show you how to do those. All you really need are 3 ingredients: natural peanut butter, 1 egg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. The only other thing you really need is a microwave safe bowl like this one in which to make your minute muffin. So you just add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Then you're going to crack your egg into the peanut butter. Going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And then you just stir it all up. I found that the baking powder needs to get integrated as best you can because it tends to clump up. So just stir until it's all incorporated. And I'm just going to take a rubber scraper here and give it a little clean up around the sides so it doesn't look quite so gross. So there's your mixture. We're just going to throw it in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, so this is the part that kind of shocked me most when I opened it up. I didn't know what it was going to look like. There it is. Isn't that crazy? And so you just take this, turn it upside down here, and there is your beautiful keto-friendly muffin. Look how spongy that is. See how spongy that is? Like, it's very spongy. So there you have it. That is the 1 minute microwave muffin. Just a few simple ingredients. I'll flash the macros up on the screen here for you, but it's very keto friendly, and that's going to do it. So if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and visit Kelly's Gone Keto on Instagram. Awesome recipe and so simple. You can find me on Instagram at ADKeto and on Twitter at AD_keto. And again, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. I'd love to see what you guys have to say in the comments. And that's going to do it. We'll see you next Friday.